I'm going to show you my favorite brioche trick, and that's correcting a mistake. We've all made, if you've done brioche, we've all made this mistake where the yarn over has fallen in front of the stitch in a column, and we need to get rid of that. To do that, I'm first going to just save these stitches so that they don't fall off my needle, and then I'm going to fold the fabric. And what you see is the actual construction of the fabric when you fold it, meaning that you see that there's a stitch with a yarn over, there's a stitch with a yarn over, there's a stitch with a yarn over, there's a stitch without a yarn over. So that means this yarn over has to go behind that stitch. And I'm going to mark that stitch. And then I'm just going to take these stitches out along this column. Now notice, I've slipped it off and I'm just going to pop the stitch. I didn't pop the yarn over or anything like that, and I'm going to hang it on a U-shaped needle. I'm going to pop the next stitch, and I'm going to hang it. I'm going to pop the next stitch, and I'm going to hang it. And what I'm doing, as you can see right here, is I'm just popping the stitches on top of the yarn over. Okay, this is my mark stitch, so I'm going to take that and I'm going to put the yarn over behind it, and then leaving those stitches on that U-shaped cable needle, I'm just going to hook right up. I'm going to make sure that I give that stitch that I took off its yarn over back. I'll put these stitches back and pull this out, and I've just corrected my mistake.